I was at the grocery store trying to buy a bag of regular dog food. I put my hand on the bag, and this woman just comes up to me and goes, "Oh, that's what you're gonna feed your dog, really? Do you even know what the first ingredient is?" It's like, dried up rabbit poops, I think. I don't know. It's dog food. Who are you? Why are you talking to me? Oh, that's terrible. That's awful. You should really be feeding your dog what they'd be eating in the wild. Really? Because I have a 4.5-pound Pomeranian. I'm pretty sure my dog is what other dogs are eating in the wild.